The role of project manager. If you want to understand the role of a project manager, have a look around and search heroes. Because the role of a project manager is the most challenging leadership position in any institution. So, what really makes project managers great team leaders? First of all, they should be aware of best practices and frameworks. Project management professionals study different types of methodologies, in order to apply them when their projects need. For this purpose, they attend courses, webinars and seminars to keep their knowledge up to date. Leadership challenges of project managers. There are some of the main leadership tasks of project managers that are not the same as other managers and executives. Being aware of uniqueness. Projects are unique and temporary in nature. They are all for creating and completing anew. Each phase of a new product is exclusive and requires different initiatives. For example, a new software application is a one-time only and strategic initiative this year than the past. While project managers learn from the past, they are leading and guiding new and uniqueness. Creating a team in a chaotic workplace environment. Team members often come from different functional areas and they are part of a group to concentrate on a new initiative. Evaluating and negotiating resources with managers is a challenging leadership issue for the project manager to aggregate the team and put into practice. Unlike other positions, the project manager role involves creating and managing a team in a chaotic environment. Managing complex stakeholder requirements. A stakeholder is an individual or a group of people, and managing their expectations requires supervising, leadership, negotiation, diplomacy, and communication. Assisting the team in all phases. Teams face several issues in the life cycle of a project, from forming to storming and then norming to performing. Project managers are effectively team leaders, who guide members, define roles, understand work, and then navigate key factors of discussion and decision points. Planning the resources. If you have been to the circus before, you may have seen the spinner who endeavors to start and keep as many plates spinning on sticks as much as possible. Most project managers sometimes feel like this circus performer and aim to gain the right resources at the right time and place. Creativity, negotiation, and diplomacy are key features of a powerful project leader. Creating a proper environment. Tight schedules and never-ending requests often create conflicts within the project team. The project manager plays a key role in creating a healthy workplace environment where issues are resolved respectfully and effectively so that the team members can keep on with the work and ensure their creativity best in the process. Managing the funds. Within leadership comes financial duties, and the project manager is responsible for not only the quality and time but also the cost. Ensuring quality and delivery. Finally, the team is offering something new and unique to a customer or customers. The project manager is responsible for providing the accuracy and quality of the products on time and budget. Project managers play the lead role in planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing out projects. They are accountable for the entire project scope, the project team and resources, the project budget, and the success or failure of the project.